Hello and welcome. Here's a walkthrough demo showing how to use Broker Genius. Our AI tool lets you automatically extract item descriptions and amounts from most invoices, along with key information from your waybill. Our tool generates all the inputs you need to complete your detailed declaration. Okay, let's begin. Start by selecting and uploading your waybill. While you wait, we automatically extract all the key information for you, such as exporter, package weight, and the freight charges. We also save the receiver, waybill number, and even the package type. Next, upload your invoices. You can select all your invoices at once, then press upload to start the next process. On the next screen, simply wait for all your invoices to be uploaded. While you wait, did you know that Broker Genius can slash your declaration time by up to 80%? With its advanced automation features, you can streamline the entire customs declaration process. Say goodbye to delays and hello to faster, efficient workflows. Let's continue. Press Extract All. Confirm that all files are uploaded. Then click Begin to initiate the process. Broker Genius works in the background to process all the data from your uploaded documents. Depending on how many invoices were uploaded, this could take a few minutes and will continue running in the background. Go grab a coffee and check your email for completion notice. Once the extraction is complete, we automatically present all the key details from your waybill and invoices. This includes HS codes for each item, descriptions, quantities, and prices. If you feel a tariff code we assigned is not exactly what you wanted, no problem. Click Change. Then apply to update. Broker Genius learns and remembers your preferences, meaning any tariff code you change is automatically remembered, saving you time on future declarations. At this stage, carefully review invoices to ensure accuracy. You can edit any field directly on the screen if needed. We made it easy to correct or update any line item. Next, let's balance your weight. Remember the waybill you uploaded earlier? Well, we also extracted the target weight for you. Just press Balance Weight to automatically match the total weight of your items with the waybill. Need to group similar items together? No problem. We've got you covered. Our grouping feature automatically consolidates items with the same tariff codes or descriptions. We also keep track of each item and know precisely where each grouped item will appear in your declaration. Whether you've got a few items or hundreds, everything gets grouped and placed exactly where it needs to be, saving you a ton of time and hassle. Now it's time to get all your items into ASYCUDA World. Click on Export. Review and confirm, then continue. Now, select your global preferences such as country of origin, place of destination, place of loading. Choose your transportation, office of entry, and lastly, the location of goods. Click on Export to instantly generate and save your XML file. Now here's where the real magic happens. We instantly generate your XML on the fly, ensuring all the required data is perfectly formatted and ready for upload. Head over to ASYCUDA and generate a new detailed declaration. Once you're there, simply browse and then upload the XML file you just downloaded. Watch as all the fields are automatically populated for you, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Broker Genius not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the risk of errors, ensuring your declaration is accurate and ready for submission. You'll see that all the items are automatically filled in, along with key details such as the commodity codes, gross and net weights, and country of origin. Each page is fully populated with the extracted data. No need to worry about missing information. Everything is in the right place. The valuation note is also completed for you, calculating any adjustments or deductions. This seamless process ensures that all your data is accurate and eliminates the need for manual input, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. With Broker Genius, customs declarations are faster, easier, and more accurate. Let our automation handle the hard work so you can focus on what matters.